Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without heavy cream. You can achieve a wonderfully creamy texture using several alternatives. Consider options like whole milk, evaporated milk, or even coconut milk for a dairy-free version. To enhance richness, a small amount of cornstarch or a couple of egg yolks can work wonders as a natural thickener, giving your ice cream that luxurious mouthfeel without the heavy cream. Now let's prepare your ice cream base. In a saucepan, combine your chosen milk, sugar, and your selected thickener like cornstarch or egg yolks. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to a consistency similar to a thin custard. This step is crucial for a smooth final product. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and chill the base completely in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. With your base perfectly chilled, it's time for the fun part, churning. Pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and follow the manufacturer's instructions. As the ice cream begins to thicken, usually during the last 5 to 10 minutes of churning, you can add your desired flavorings. Think vanilla extract, chocolate chips, or a vibrant fruit puree. Continue churning until the mixture resembles a soft-serve ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft but delicious. For a firmer, scoopable texture, transfer it to an airtight container. Press a piece of parchment paper directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals, then cover tightly. Place the container in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once it's reached your desired firmness, scoop out generous portions and enjoy your delightful, homemade ice cream, made without any heavy cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.